What it do, gang? Happy New Year's to everyone. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, blessed day. Hope the new year has started off right for you guys. You know, it's been a while since I dropped a video. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, or just subscribe, or like, or just watch the video. Just tap in with me. Yeah, today I'm gonna give y'all a brief explanation of what I got going on today, or what's been happening and why I've been gone or whatever. I'm near completion on my car and I've been working so much. I'm finishing it, but I'm at a standstill because I have to take it to the exhaust shop and I don't have time to take it to the exhaust shop because of my work schedule. So I'm trying to get some off days now. I started like a new job, so I'm like in probation period. So off days is like, if you ain't sick, they really not letting you off. But I'm trying to get some off days to take it to the exhaust shop here soon, because I feel like that's literally all I need. The exhaust did, and it'll run and all of that on its own for a little bit. I'm gonna take it to the tuner and have him do everything that he has to do or whatever. Try to reach max horsepower, my horsepower goals. Try to reach that and whatnot. But today this is gonna be more so of a tutorial or a DIY kind of thing. I had lost my key to start my car up, so I had to go get my ignition key, so I had to go get another one. This is a part number for a 79 Caprice, or I don't know if it works for all of them, but this is the part number for a 79. We're gonna be installing this, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install the ignition locks on there. So let me get the camera all set up. Let me get all the tools that you would need. This is my first time, so if I have any problems, you guys will see it here, so y'all can avoid them problems and go about it a better route, and it'd be an easy installation for you guys. So let me get the camera all set up and everything, and I'll cut y'all guys back on. So from my knowledge, here go a couple parts that I know you might need. You're gonna need a steering wheel puller. You're gonna need a pick. You'll need the ignition lock cylinder. You might need this tool. I don't know for sure yet, because the pick might make it easier. I don't know. It's gonna be 2 screws right here and right here. And like, just get a screwdriver, 2 little small screws or whatever. And it's gonna take off this plate. Let me get the tools ready, get the camera all set up, and yeah, got this little piece off. Figured out what size it was. It's a 21. Very easy. Got me a flathead screwdriver. Probably against one side, then probably against the other side, and went all the way around until it pushed off. But this literally pushes it down, so you ain't gotta push it with your hand, and it lets this slide off easy. It ain't that hard. Some people say it's hard, but it ain't that hard. You just want to take this apart and then get after the screws. I'll cut y'all back on when on to the next step. All right, then it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 screws you gotta take out. Gotta take this assembly out. Don't take it all the way out because you don't really need to. Then you're gonna need to take this out. Assume this the last screw I need to take out. And there you go. Put all this crap back together. And yeah. So hopefully I explained it well. No, I ain't doing a lot of talking, but it's literally straightforward. For real. There's no surprises, no nothing. And then the same way you take it out, the same way you put it back in. So I cut y'all on, and I got it all put back together. Let me plug this battery up and fire up real quick to see if everything works. See what she does. Oh, we good. Everything works. So yeah, same weight. Hold up. I can't. Let me know if this was a good video or not. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Stay tuned for more. So next video should probably be in a week or so. I'm about to stay consistent because it's 2021, so I gotta stay consistent. I see people around me, they going up, so I'm motivated as well to take my channel to another level. So hopefully y'all like all the content that's to come and that's being put out now. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all.
And I can't let them have my mind, no way. I was on some different shit, I went my own way. Told my mama wipe them tears, it's gonna be okay. Made it from the bottom to the top, now I can't see the